Tourne-Sol is a workers' co-op and an award-winning, widely respected ecological farm. We produce organic vegetables for more than 700 local families and sell our organic seed to thousands of gardeners across Canada. As organic farmers, we're eager to reduce our carbon footprint. We want to continue to make a difference not only in how we grow food for local families, but in how each food mile is powered. We want to inspire others to cut emissions by delivering our organic veggies in a first-of-its-kind Elec-truck.
Hi, I'm Reed Alloway, one of the founding farmers here at Tourne-Sol Co-operative Farm and resident electric vehicle enthusiast. We've already started converting a bunch of our farm tools to clean electric power, like this two-wheel tractor. These projects have allowed us to make incremental reductions to our farm's greenhouse gas emissions.
Past clean energy conversions have brought accolades and shown our farm to be a leader in applying these solutions. Successes include an auger to install our greenhouse anchors, walk-behind tractors for weeding and tillage. And we now use electric utility vehicles for doing most of our harvest and hauling jobs. And even our larger cultivating tractor has gone electric, meaning our organic veggies are not only weeded without pesticides, but without fossil fuels. Our farm workplace is quieter, safer, and healthier, cutting emissions and retiring gas and diesel engines too.
The single biggest source of emissions on our farm is this delivery truck. And there's no good reason electric trucks this size shouldn't exist today, but you can't go out and buy one anywhere. We're not prepared to wait years for them to come to market, and we're not able to convert our own because it's effectively illegal in the eyes of the Ministry of Transportation. But we found a solution. We're ready to start on a one-of-a-kind project to convert this 6,000 kilogram box truck to clean, zero-emissions, battery electric power.
We're partnering with the environmental pioneers at Eco-tuned Automobile in Varennes, Quebec, to convert this Ford Cube van using their proven drivetrain and battery packs. Eco-tuned has developed and refined a complete replacement drivetrain.
This quickly transforms a new or used truck like this one into a fully electric vehicle that is easy to repair, safe, and reliable. Even cooler, the drivetrain can be migrated to new donor trucks repeatedly,
which will serve us and our customers for literally hundreds of thousands of emission-free kilometers.
Now, clean power conversion projects like this are not cheap. Without your assistance, it would take us years to afford, even with government support. Those are years of continued fossil fuel burning that we want to avoid. But with your help, we can get our farm's delivery truck off fossil fuels